So this one says you have $20 of snacks to spend for a movie night. Chips cost $2 a bag. Sodas cost $3 each. Well, how many bags of chips and sodas can I buy? That's a system of linear inequality because I have this amount of money to spend. This is what I want to buy. What is my looking like? What can I get? Now, you're not saying, oh, let me do a system to figure it out. Your mind starts thinking, you start adding things up. That's math in the real world. So when am I ever going to use this? You use it all the time. Trust me. Look at this one. You have at most 10 hours this weekend to study and play video games. You want to spend at least 4 hours studying. System of linear inequality. You're planning a lunch that must have at least 300 calories, but no more than 600 calories. Each apple has 80 calories and each granola bar has 150 calories. That's a system of inequality. So let's look at these individually so you can see. So if I let X be the cost of chips and Y be the cost of sodas, this is what my inequality would look like. Just so I can stay within budget, I need to make sure that however many chips I have and however many sodas I buy, I got to stay under $20. And then you see these equations here at the bottom. That just means you're not going to buy like -2 bags of chips. You're going to buy some chips and you're going to buy some sodas. You might just buy all chips. You might just buy all sodas, but you're not going to buy a negative amount of anything. So that's what that means. Look at this one. If I let S equal my study time and G equal the hours I'm going to game, this is what it might look like. The total I only have 10 hours this weekend. I got to study for at least 4 hours, but I also want to play games. So who's going to not play games, right? You're going to play some games. So that's what that looks like. And then this last one, which people do a lot of, counting calories. Oh my goodness. Well, how many apples can I eat? How many granolas can I eat and still get enough calories, right? I need to make sure that I get at least 300 calories, but I don't go over 600, right? And then this is the same thing. I'm going to eat some apples. I have to eat some apples. You can't eat a negative apple. That should be X greater than equals or Y. But when it does the comma, that means they're both like that. So this is real world math. This is real world math. You use it all the time. Math is critical thinking and problem solving. That's all it is. It's just when you jump into the mathematics realm, this is the name of it. Okay? So no more, when am I going to use it? You better be thinking critically.